Canada is a peaceful country. In Canada, we live peacefully. Where is the adjective? And where is the adverb? Hi, it's Dora from Bite Size English, here to give you your daily bite of English. Subscribe and follow. Today's show is about the adjectives and adverbs. Watch Lindsay's episode on adjectives. Adjectives describe people, places, and things. So look again. Canada is a peaceful country. In Canada, we live peacefully. Look at the word peaceful. What does it describe? It describes the noun country. Is it an adjective? Yes, it is. Look at the word peacefully. What does it describe? It describes the verb live. It tells us how we live. It is not an adjective. It is an adverb. There are many different adverbs. In today's show, we will only talk about adverbs that tell us how we do something. Look at this. James is very quick with making our bite-sized English videos. James works quickly. Which one is the adjective quick or quickly? Quick, because it talks about James. And quickly? It tells us how he works. Look at both peacefully and quickly and their endings in ly. When an adjective ends in ly, it can tell us it might be an adverb. But look at these. Martin's English is really good. He writes and speaks well. For some adjectives, the adverb is a different word, like good and well. And some adjectives, like fast, hard, late, and early, it does not change. Lindsay is a hard worker. She works hard. Do you want to learn more about adverbs? Tell us. Write, more adverbs, please. Remember, subscribe and follow. That's all today. Thank you for watching Bite Size English.